Hi guys, in this video we will see how to scan for viruses before opening of files, how to use custom scans of a particular files and folders in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Here are the process, very simple. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here choose Windows Security. Here click on Virus and Threat Protection. A new window will now open. Here click on the link Scan Options. Here you will find 4 types of scans option: quick scan, full scan, customized scan and antivirus Microsoft Defender offline scan. Choose customized scan and click on scan now. Here choose the files and folders which you want to scan before opening. Simply select it from here. Click on select folder. And you can see your folder is now scanning under custom scans. Choose quick scan. So you can easily perform a quick scan or customized scan of a particular files and folders in your Windows 11 and 10 system through Windows Security.